In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send emails to customers on Shopify. This is a useful option when you need to follow up on an order, respond to a request, or share an important update with a specific customer. The email you send from the customer profile is tied to that customer record, which helps you keep communication organized and easy to reference later. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the main menu on the left, go to Customers. Now, this area contains the list of people who have purchased from you or created a customer record in your store. If you have a long list, take a moment to locate the correct customer before you open their profile, so you are confident you are contacting the right person. Next, click the name of the customer you wish to contact. This opens their customer profile page, where you can review key details like their contact information and any notes related to their account. It is a good habit to quickly confirm you are viewing the correct customer profile before you send anything, especially if multiple customers have similar names. Under the customer profile name, find the email address and click it. When you click the email address, Shopify will open an email compose window, so you can write directly to that customer. This is the correct place to send a one-to-one message, rather than a marketing email to a group. Now type your subject line and your message. Keep your subject clear and specific so the customer understands what the email is about right away. In the message body, be direct and helpful, and include any essential details they need, like what you are confirming, what action you took, or what steps they should take next. Before moving on, quickly scan for accuracy and clarity. This is also the right time to double-check spelling and make sure your message sounds professional. When you are ready, click Review Email. Use this screen to confirm everything looks correct, including the recipient, subject, and message content. Then click Send Email to deliver it. And that covers everything you need to know.